Hi, I'm Columbus City Council President Pro Tem Elizabeth Brown. In order to keep Russell here safe, he'll be riding in a car seat until he's at least 4 and a booster seat until at least 8. As a parent, I know installing a car seat properly isn't simple. That's why 4 and 5 seats get done so incorrectly. You can ensure you've done it right with the help of Columbus Public Health's car seat program. Their trained staff will check your car seat to make sure it's properly installed. Come join us on April 26th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Bye Bye Baby at Easton to have your car seat checked. If you are in need of a car seat or booster seat, eligible families can attend a class at Columbus Public Health and receive them at a reduced cost. Call 614-645-7748 or go to Columbus Public Health's website at columbus.gov/publichealth for more information on the program. Car seats save lives, so double check to protect your child.
Banana.